G'day everyone. We've got a few different supermarkets in Australia, very few, but two of the main ones are Coles and Aldi, and then there's Woolies and IGA, but Coles seems to be a little upset with Aldi because they're copying their special buys. And as we were down at Coles, we saw the special buys and they were gardening related. We thought we'd try some out. So what we've got here is their green Leaf Pruner Set. Now I'm sure this brand will be able to be bought by other people because they're made in China, like everything else. And the packaging is awful. I hate this plastic wrap because it's plastic, it's hard to get into, and there's no need for it. They could just have a little hanger thing or something on them to store them, and no need for all of this plastic. So what we have here is a set of two gardening tools that they state are durable carbon steel blades, comfort grip handles, and lightweight. And they were $15, which is pretty cheap. So let's have a look. Yes, they are very lightweight. I don't think the spring's very good and it's going to fall out. It may fall out. First impression, not great. Very cheap plastic handles. The comfort grip is very thin, so it's not very squishy. And the locking mechanism is just another piece of plastic, which I'm sure is going to snap at some point. But the real test is when we cut something with it, which we shall do shortly. And we've got these slightly more robust ones for cutting bigger branches. Yeah, they're metal. The blades seem okay. Definitely sharp at the moment. And the padding is a little bit thicker. So maybe these ones are okay, but I don't think these ones will last. So let's nip outside in the heat, because it's bleeding hot outside at the moment, and we'll give them a shot. Come with me. So what we're going to do is take off this branch that's hanging over the patio. We'll lose a couple of guavas, but we've got so many it doesn't really matter. It's a medium sort of branch, about 6 millimeters. And we'll give it a squeeze. Well, that works. Well, they work. That's those ones. They might actually be quite handy. And now we have very cheap Secateurs. Let's see how it goes on a thin bit. Yeah, fine. As we get a bit thicker, that's about 3 millimeters. Still fine. I think while they're sharp, they're good. And with me always leaving them lying around in the garden and getting rusty and falling apart, the cheap ones kind of suit me. Let you know how they get on over time. But there they are, cheap, $15 for the pair, from Coles, trying to keep up with Aldi. Not too bad, I don't think. The other thing we've got from Coles is these, some hanging baskets. And these were only $7 each. So that's actually pretty cheap, considering the liners cost me more than that. And I think I just saw why. You might be able to see, it is very, very thin liner. Extremely thin. The wire is okay. I'm not sure how long it'll last, probably rust out. But I thought for $7, we'll fill them up, give them a shot. And if the wire stays okay, we'll use our Temu liners to fill it up again. So that's our first attempt at Coles brand special buys for the garden. Let me know what you think. And like, subscribe, hit that bell icon, see how they keep it in the longer term. You enjoy life, I'll catch you in the garden.